many times have you said, I should have never ever bought those shoes, or I should have never married that person or bought that car. And we know, but why do we do it? It's like, I know those shoes are not good for me, but boy, they make my legs look great. Or it's the ego. But when we ask the heart, when we communicate with the body, we seem to have a deeper, wiser, better quality of answer. And I think more or less we all know that now. And I think that probably the trickiest bit of the whole thing is remembering. And I think I can speak for myself anyway. That's why I love doing the classes, the teaching, the groups, because when you're connecting with like minded souls, there's a catalyst to remember to do the thing, to take the breath, to do the meditation. So, although I posted it a few days ago, I'm going to test my technical skills now and see if I can reduce it down and copy it over onto this page because I would love a few more of you to join in. Just do this tiny little meditation for 7 days. It's so simple. And I believe it is the answer to everything. We spend so much time thinking our mind's the boss, thinking we've got to answer the big, huge question, what will I do next? Where will I live? Which job will I do? When actually, you have the answer right here.